Welcome to level 6, page 4. In order to do this page, you need Sokolov Fifth. And this is Sokolov Fifth. Okay, so the first question, F sharp major. So for this one right here, I'm going to hold on to it like this. I need you to pause the video and start copy major scales 1, 2, 4. And then we're going to follow the step. Number 1, look at your Sokolov Fifth. So the question is F sharp major. You're going to go and find F sharp is here. F sharp major has 6. 6 means 6 sharp. So it's fat cat go down alley eating and no burger. Okay, so find out how many sharps and flat. You find out this 6 and then you write all the sharps and flat into the scales. So it's 6 of them. So I like to take a note. Next to this, I'm going to write 6 sharp, which is 6. Fat cat go down alley eating. No burger because you need only 6. Okay. Then over here you see F. F sharp. That means first note is F. I like to write out the note. So F, G, step by step going up, A, B, C, D, E, F. So first one is F. F sharp, okay. Then find C. C is here. C sharp. G sharp is here. Cross it out because you already done it. Then D sharp. Then A sharp. Then the E sharp. Now with this case, a lot of students don't remember to check your last note. Number 4, check the first note and the last note. They should be the same note. So check your first note is F sharp. That means last note is also F sharp. This E is done. So although it's 6 over here, but you're going to mark it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because first and last note is repeats. They both F sharp. Okay, then we're going to move on to the next easiest scales. It's called a natural minor scales. Okay, so over here at this part right here, take a pause on the video and copy all point 1 to point 4 natural minor scale. Okay, step 1, change it to a relative major by counting up 3 half steps. A B flat minor, you need to go to B flat, count 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. This note has 2 names. You can call it C sharp or D flat. Since you are at the flat, you're going to call it D flat instead of C sharp. Okay, so go ahead, D flat major. What is your step number 2? Look at the Sokolov Fifth and find out how many sharps and flat. So at the Sokolov Fifth, you're going to find D flat major. So D flat major is here with 5. Is it 5 sharps or 5 flat? 5 flat. So equal to 5 flat. What are they? B, E, A, D, G. Okay. Then your next step is going to write all the flats into the scales. So same thing. In this case, you are going down. So going down is not the same as going up, right? So I like to do the going up because I start from B. Next one is C, right? B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Step by step going up. First one is B flat. Cross. Next is E flat. Then is A flat. Then is D flat. Then is G flat. Okay, then the very last one, this B, check your last step. Step number 4. Check the first note and the last note. This should be the same note. So your first note is B flat, your last note is B flat, then you are all done with this one. 4 steps. Okay, next thing, we're going to do a harmonic form. Over here, harmonic minor scales. Change it to a relative major by counting up 3 half steps. By the way, take 1 pause and then copy all this into your notebook. From here, number 1, all the way to 5. Okay, so we're going to change it. It says a C sharp minor, so we're going to go to C sharp. You're going to count up 1, 2, 3, half step. That one is E major. So write down E major. Okay, then you look. Which one is that? Look at the circle of fifth. So now you're going to find E major from your circle of fifth. Here's your E. E is 4 halves. The 4 sharps. So equal to 4 sharps. Okay, which are 4? You know your orders of sharp very good. Fat cat go down. This 4. Okay, so you are going to, this is C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, so F, fat, cat, 2 types of cat, right? 2 of them, the front and the back. Always check front and back, they should be the same notes. This is cat. Okay, then go. Then you have the down. Okay, so 4 sharp, but you are not done yet. Right now, you need to do number 4. Raise the 7th note. If it is a sharp, then make it a double sharp. This is how the double sharp looks like. If it is a flat, erase it, change it to a natural. If it is a natural, or even if there's nothing, then you're supposed to put a sharp. So we're going to go to your 7th note. Make sure it's a 7. This is note number 1. You start from low to high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your 7th note has nothing in front of it. So you're going to put a sharp over here. So this is correct. That's a harmonic form. The last one is the melodic. Melodic is the hardest one. If you notice, it's going up and down. They always have up and down. And this one, you really need to use a pencil. So I'm going to change it to a pencil. Okay, now I have a pencil, okay? Because we might do a little bit of erasing as well. So make sure you use your pencil. And again, here's your melodic minor scales. So take a pause, copy 1, 2. Then copy this whole thing. It's a lot of information. All the way to number 6 into your notebook. Okay, so step number 1, change it to a relative major by counting up 3 half steps. So start from F. You go to F, 3 half step up. 1, 2, 3. You have 2 names here, G sharp and A flat. I'm going to write both, G sharp or A flat. Now I'm going to tell you which one to pick. F minor, don't have sharp, don't have flat, but then how do you know which one to pick? You're going to go to your circle of fifth, find the G sharp. Can you find G sharp? There's no G sharp major. Can you find A flat? Yes, A flat is here. Since there's no G sharp, so that answers your question. You're not going to use a G sharp. You're going to use an A flat. So A flat major has 4 flats, equal to 4 flats. Which are 4? B, E, A, D. 4 of them. So now look at the circle of fifth and find out how many. We just find out it's a 4 flat. Okay? Write whatever the sharps and flat into the scales, both sides, both up and down. So when you put it in, make sure you do it both sides. Okay? So we're going to start from B. So B is here, B, and make sure you do this B as well because you have 2 B. Okay? Then E and E, A and A, D, this is D, and D. Okay? So make sure you use pencil also. Okay? Then you're about to use some eraser. Are you ready? When going up, only when at the going up, raise a 6 and 7. To raise a 6 and 7, it works the same as when you have the harmonic. So these 3 are the same. This one double sharp. This is how the double sharp looks like. Natural sign. And this one is a sharp. Okay, but then this time you need to raise a 6 and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6, this is 7. 6 is a flat and 7 is a flat. The flat, you need to erase it. Make it a natural. So now, erase and mark a natural sign here. And mark a natural sign here. This is your number 6. This is your number 7. When you come back down, this is your number 7. This is your number 6. Right? Okay. Then you have one more step. When going down, make sure 6 and 7 are the opposite of the step 4. That means if going up 6 and 7 is natural, then going down has to go back to a flat. Double check to see if you have a flat here. Yes, you have a flat here. Yes, you have a flat here. Okay, then you are correct. One more last step. Number 6, check the first note and the last note should be the same. In this case, first note is F. The one in the middle is a F because that's your highest note, and the last one is F. So you actually have 3 Fs. Okay, then you should be able to do a B major by yourself. Chromatic scale simply means you're going by half step, and that's the one thing about chromatic scales. If you go up in the chromatic scales, it's better if you use sharp. If you're going down, it's better if you use flat. Okay? In this case, chromatic scale bass clef, that one is A, so you're going to go to A. Going down, right? So down is that way. You call this A flat. You don't want to call it G sharp. Make sense? That's also why first one is A. The second one is A flat. You want to mark a flat over here. After A flat is G. This is G. Then this is the G flat. And then you just complete the whole thing. Okay? That will conclude your page number 4. Thank you.